How to log in to Snapchat without verification code. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. First, launch your Snapchat application and then simply log into your account. Here you can see this account did not ask for verification code because I had already saved the login credential in my device. But if I try to log in another device from another device, it will definitely ask for a verification code. This is for your own privacy and safety. So if you have saved your login info and all your credentials, you will not be asked for a verification code, but if you have not, you will have to enter a verification code from the linked account, whether it is your email or your phone number. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.